we all doing? Now before we get started with this traditional versus digital art video, I want to give a huge shout out to XP Pen for making this video possible. They sent me this huge XP Pen tablet and I couldn't thank them enough. I love it so much. Let me give you guys a quick review of it, show you guys what it actually is before we get started. You guys know I do a lot of traditional art using pencil and paper, so I don't really need to introduce you to that, but I kind of want to show you what it's going up against, the digital tablet over here. Yeah, we're just gonna hop right into it, give you guys a quick review. So this is the entire tablet. I feel like it's quite a nice build. There's like a nice big touch screen. I think it's 22 inches. The back is a little bit bulky though, because it has this stand over here. You see the stand? The stand is really nice, but I feel like it kind of gets in the way when you're trying to fold it up and carry it around with you. That's just like personal preference. Okay, and honestly, I don't have much to compare it to because this is my first time trying to draw on the screen. In the past, I usually use one of the tablets where I go like this and I have to look up on the screen. This is so much easier because I'm drawing right on it. Since this is propped up like this, it feels a lot like I'm drawing on paper, but there's no texture of the paper, so it makes it a little bit different. There's not as much drag, so you guys will kind of see the difference as we go along in the video. Let me show you guys a few accessories that it came with. So first of all, we have the little pen over here. At first I had no idea what this was. There's like a little hole in the back. They have this cylinder that comes with an extra pen. At first I thought the little hole in the back was literally just for this. If you're getting bored and you have nothing to do, you can just kind of play with the pens over here. But that seemed a little weird and inappropriate at the same time. And I found these cool things over here. This that fits right in here. Oh yeah, from the back. Apparently these are chargers, so you can charge the pen up. And over here, if you open it up in the little pen cylinder, there's this. These are extra pen nibs. It looks kind of like the barrel of a gun, or not the barrel, the what do you call it? Damn it, I can't even think of the name right now, but it looks like part of a gun. There's like little missiles that shoot out. Oh, and the little charging thing even goes in over here, so you can charge the pen while it's inside. See? Ooh, I want to show you guys this. Wow, it came with a nice little glove. You guys like that? It's designed specifically for carpal tunnel, for artists like me. I'm just kidding. I'm pretty sure it's so I don't like move the little cursor around while I'm using this. The reason you have to buy this right now, the reason this entire package was worth it, was because of this. They gave a little blue silky tissue. You can wipe your screen with it, dust the crumbs off of your shirt. You can wipe your camera lens. Oh yes, my camera likes that. You can wipe your keyboard. Honestly, the uses for this are endless. You can use it to blow your nose. You go to the bathroom, you forget toilet paper. No worries, you got your little blue handkerchief. XP Pen has you covered, they already know. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the side. It does come with a blue handkerchief, just so you guys know. We've got some adapters over here. Honestly, I have no idea how any tech works, but they've got wires, they've got lots of wires for you. There's like 3 of them that you have to plug in over here, like 2 or 3, and then you plug into your laptop or computer or whatever you're working from. So simple as that. I installed the driver, and at first it was a little bit complicated for me because I'm not a tech guy. I have no idea how this works, but I have it installed. It only took a few minutes. It really wasn't that hard. And yeah, those are my thoughts as of right now. We're gonna test it side by side. Honestly, I think both will have their pros and cons, but you'll just have to watch and find out. The results will be at the end. So I'll see you guys there. there you guys have it. That was the traditional versus digital art, the final showdown. You guys can decide which one won. Did you like the digital one more or did you like the traditional one more? Honestly, I'm pretty used to the traditional, so I'll still have to go with that. The digital art, however, it's a new era. It's the digital era. There are so many more things you can do with this, such as like copying stuff over that you literally can't do with the traditional art. You can Control-Z, easily erase this, doesn't leave any marks. I feel like the XP pen is a pretty good deal for its price. It's only $500, which is pretty cheap when it comes to a tablet. Overall, I'd say the quality is pretty nice. I enjoy working on it. It's something new. It kind of switches your art style up a little bit. And as I said before, art is like a relationship. You always gotta try new things, make art more interesting, and if it's switching from traditional to digital every once in a while, hey, whatever works for you. XP pen also has a lot of thick to thins, so it's also something that the traditional art can't do. So I definitely recommend it if you are looking for a tablet. It's $500. Link is in the description down below. But if traditional art is your thing, you want to stick to it, definitely just stick with it. It's a lot more affordable. A lot more affordable. A lot more affordable. A lot more affordable. But it's personal preference. You can try new things. And if you do get the tablet, I suggest you get the height adjustable desk too, because it makes things a lot easier. You see that? You see that? Ah, music to my ears. Is it just me, or does this height adjusting thing kind of turn me on? This video shout out goes to MC Friends Comics. If you want to win a shout out to, all you have to do is join the notification squad. You already know what it is. And with that being said, let's turn it up! Keep those pencils moving, stay on the daily grind, come here for a kiss. Mwah! I love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Bye.